Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your destination for the latest reviews, detailed specifications, and expert insights on cars, motorhomes, and more. Today, we take a look at the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, an ultra-luxurious entry in the world of mobile living that combines opulence with advanced engineering. Known for redefining automotive luxury, Rolls-Royce has now turned its attention to the motorhome segment, delivering a vehicle that offers both mobility and unmatched sophistication. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome stands out with its commanding presence and a design philosophy that echoes the brand's iconic elegance. Its exterior is shaped with flowing lines, a bold chrome grille, and signature Spirit of Ecstasy ornament, all mounted on a custom-built extended chassis. The body is finished with premium paint and optional two-tone configurations, offering a rich and stately appearance. LED matrix headlamps, 22-inch alloy wheels, and retractable steps complete the upscale look. Under the hood, the motorhome is powered by a V12 hybrid powertrain, combining traditional Rolls-Royce performance with eco-conscious efficiency. This setup delivers a smooth and quiet ride, perfect for long-distance touring. The adaptive air suspension system ensures that passengers experience Rolls-Royce's hallmark magic carpet ride, even on uneven terrain. It also features all-wheel drive and multiple drive modes tailored for both highway cruising and off-grid adventures. Inside, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome offers a cabin experience unlike any other. Step into a living space adorned with hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, and ambient lighting that can be personalized to suit any mood. The interior is divided into zones including a lounge with reclining seats, a fully equipped kitchen with state-of-the-art appliances, a luxurious master bedroom with a queen-size bed, and a full-size bathroom with marble finishes and a rain shower. Technology integration is extensive. A digital cockpit offers navigation, real-time vehicle diagnostics, and connectivity features that include voice control and AI-based climate management. Entertainment is powered by a high-end surround sound system and multiple OLED displays. The motorhome is equipped with 5G internet, satellite communication, and remote monitoring features for comfort and security. Smart home integration allows you to control lighting, temperature, and appliances through your phone or the built-in touchscreen interface. Safety is another priority. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and emergency braking. Fire detection, tire pressure monitoring, and security surveillance provide peace of mind whether parked or in motion. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome redefines what it means to travel in style. It is not just a vehicle, but a mobile mansion on wheels crafted for those who demand the highest levels of comfort, performance, and prestige. Whether you're touring the countryside or setting up camp by the coast, this motorhome ensures you do so with elegance and ease. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Stay updated with the latest luxury vehicles, motorhomes, and automotive innovations. This is Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car and motorhome reviews, expert breakdowns, and everything you need to know in the world of vehicles.